Good evening, everybody. Welcome back. Market up or down. The market was up right at the very last second. Pretty cool if you look at it. Just right there at the end of the day. Boom, straight up. So let's take a look at the brokerage account. Nothing sold. That's it for the video for the public account. So if you're new, catch you later. And if you're more advanced, you're ready to see the main account, let's just get right into it. So as far as the spreadsheet goes, we got to order Pepsi ends my war against inflation. We got paid a sweet dividend from Amcor, and we did get some action here on the day trade. And you can see beautiful moves. I'm actually still got some from up here, I think. So I'm still waiting, even though it did hit. And I was working, so that kind of got in the way too. Well, no, I'm up. Hell, should have sold it. I don't know. Can I still sell it? Oh, it's way up after hours. 49.80 it says. It says 49.90. It's not going to work just right. We'll just hang on to it. We'll see in the morning. Same thing with the oil here. Waiting on it to hit. Guess it ain't never going to see it hit if we don't have the alert. But I've been more busy at work and trying to give them a nice, honest date if I can. So there you go. We're ready for that, but we're definitely in profits. You can see from our purchase here, even though it went lower, looks like a smile. I smile when I make money. We're trying to get in here. Nothing happened. We had this quick move here that we got, and this is 3 times levered. You can really outperform the markets if you do your thing. Just in my opinion, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just showing you what I do. And if I miss an entry or something, it's not end of the world, and that's the reason I like to do it like this. Here we've lost our alert. They go away after so many days unless you pay them even more money. Now I've got a premium account here. But you get a few at the free account, so I encourage that for folks that are brand new. I wouldn't go start spending money and just eat up all of your investment earnings. What are we doing here? How come my alert didn't go? There it is finally. All right. Just make sure that our alerts are set, because that's the only way I'm going to know. I don't look at the screen. I'm working. Bitcoin's damn near going to hit. Yeah. It's like I'm still stuck. Ugh. I must have got in up here. So we're about break even. And we'll let it run till it hits again. So that's all we got there. We'll go ahead and look for swing trade entries. No flips today, obviously. And we'll keep this video short as well. We got other stuff to do anyways. We have had some setups here. That one is creeping up nicely. We've had some setups for second entries. Here's one of them. We're still waiting. This one as well. And this one is it finally at 175.51 over 175.89. It needs one more day, but wow. So hopefully the next day is down right about right here. And then we'll get back in. But you can see it's so volatile that, by the time we got in here, this wasn't a great entry. There wasn't much room on the RSI, but it couldn't even continue up. And price moves in pairs. So one, there's the pair. So that's a completed price action move if you do price action trading, or start to learn about that. If you don't know what I'm talking about, come on, man. Come on, man. Y'all got the internet. Quit being so damn lazy. Y'all got the internet just like I do. 10,000 hours is no joke, man. That's a lot of time. That's what it takes. Boy, this thing has been one of the biggest turds I've had in a while. But I still really like the position. Looks like we've been here before. If we go back up to here, we're going to be happy campers. I've got playing this several angles through options and equity, lots of equity, probably more equity than I should have, but still pays the dividend. Dividend comes in strong. All right, we'll look for a swing trade entry, and that will be the video. Did we have any that we were kind of watching? I know we had Foot Locker, but it kind of needed some time. And let's see, I got my alert there on BP. That's going to be my jam there. I'm not a huge fan of the company, but the stock is super volatile. It has lots of options activity, and it does move with the price of crude oil. And the share price is low, so I'll be able to get a lot of options contracts. We'll play that aggressive. That's the cool thing when you get a little margin in your life, you can be aggressive, and then it's so much easier to make money because you can take a big bet on something that is a high probability to win. Here's another one getting close, so we'll have it. McDonald's didn't quite hit it, I don't think, but it's still the same shape. So that one's just not going to hit 30 very often. It's just a strong company. Brown-Forman's maybe setting up. I won't be swing trading that. That's part of my war against inflation. When economic times get really hard, alcohol sales tend to go up. So if you're looking for the whys and what fors, that's why. Call it a hedge if you want to. A lot of these are really blowing out. I knew the market would go crazy as soon as I put the short on. But we still have a few months. I'm not giving up on that either. I'm kind of feeling pretty comfortable about it. It's almost a free roll at this point. There's Bitcoin hitting the 70 in real time. And that's why, even though I'm not a big fan of the cryptocurrency stuff, I kept it small. I've doubled the money, took my money out, but it trades weekends, 24 hours. It trades. So there's United Health. Do we have an entry here? 491.20. It needs another day, just like Apple. So when all these hit the buy signal all on the same day, what do you think frickin' happens on the very next day? You know, I'm not the only one looking at this stuff, and now you're looking at it too. So you're welcome. I hope you appreciate the videos. I'm happy to share it with you, and I hope it helps you stay consistent. I know there's one or two of you that do that, but the rest of you stay consistent and have an awesome evening. We'll catch you tomorrow.